Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 3 boxes that I'm about to unbox, and I'm going to go ahead and look in here and find out what we have. We've got some fun, exciting things. You'll be able to find everything on hookedonpickin.com. And so let's get inside these boxes and see what we find. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, let's get right into opening these boxes. I'm going to move these over for right now so that I have a place to put this stuff. So these are from 888 Lots and another one of my wholesale liquidators. So it's all supposed to be brand new. And now the thing with buying individual items from 888 Lots is that you have to buy the whole lot of them. So if they have 25, you have to buy 25. If they have 1, you buy 1. So we buy things brand new like this. They're kind of like liquidation overstock. And then, oh, look at this one. This is a Princess Castle play tent. It says, provides hours of healthy active play for children of all ages. It's easy to assemble and collapse, stores easily, taking up minimal space, and is sturdy and durable, standing up to kids' play and adventure. The tent can be painted with special fabric markers and easily removed with wet wipes. So this is like a design your own Princess Castle play tent. So that looks pretty cool. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video because we're going to be pricing everything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Princess Castle play tents. And they're all going to be available right on hookedonpickin.com. So you can go right now to hookedonpickin.com to find all of those. All right, and then we have, ooh, what is this? This says, transform your home instantly. Bring starry sky surrounding to you. So is this one where it goes, this is indoor. So it's an indoor starry night sky. And if you look real close, you can do red, green, blue, kind of a teal color. Ooh, this one looks like an orangey greenish. And then a purple color. So let's go ahead and just open it up and I want to see what it looks like. Just a little. Okay, so it's just like a little starry night skylight. So I'm never going to get that back in the box if I pull it all the way out. But you're seeing it up close there. All right, so we got 1, 2 of those available on hookedonpickin.com. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because we'll be pricing everything as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you have to buy them all when you buy them like this on 888 Lots. I do a lot of negotiating on 888 Lots too. And so they may say that this is $8 a piece and I might negotiate it down. So that's, you know, a few options too with that. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have lots of these. But then you can put one in every room. 12, 13, 14 total of the Starry Night Skies and an empty box. So that was 2 items from that box. So let's see if we can find some more interesting stuff. All right, this box I believe is from one of my wholesalers. And I think we've been out of this on the hookedonpickin.com store. So you can go to hookedonpickin.com, look right behind me. That's exactly how you spell it. No G on the end of that Pickin. And you can find all these items for sale already. Okay, and we got, oh yes, Baby Yoda backpack. You gotta love the Baby Yoda backpack. It's amazing. So this is a plush pillow backpack. So it's got, it's plush on one side and then it's got this kind of hidden zipper on the back here. And you can hide things in it. It's really actually pretty big. But it's nice to like travel with and, you know, for a little kid to carry his stuff around and then take a nap later. So this whole entire box is full of Baby Yoda. So we'll be putting those on the hookedonpickin.com store. So now you've got Baby Yoda. So we've got 3 total items so far in this unboxing. that you'll be able to find on hookedonpickin.com. And then, whoops, I just moved the whole table. All right, our last box. This one's a big one. I'm hoping there's more than just 2 items in this box, because in my order it says I should have a few more different items, but I have just kind of onesies, twosies in these ones. So if you want these ones, I'm guessing you're probably gonna have to snatch them up pretty fast because they're gonna sell quickly. Looks like I see a few more princess castles. So we've got a few more of those. Okay, now I see more stuff. We have got, this is a drawing magnetic, basically a magnadoodle. A generic version of a magnadoodle right here. And this is what size it is. So we got one of those. It might be the only one we have. Then we have, ooh, you guys have been really enjoying these 3D. This one is a wood trick, the 3D build your own mechanical kind of puzzle. And this one is an oil rig. It's an oil tower. We currently have a Zeppelin that we've sold. We've got a dump truck still for sale online and a pendulum clock. But this one, it happens to be the oil tower. So then it moves up and down like it's pumping oil like an oil rig. And then we have, what else we got? Ooh, okay, I was really excited about these. These are a sketching art set. I'll let you see those up close. So it's 12 compressed color lead sticks, 6 compressed charcoal sticks, 6 compressed lead sticks, 1 wooden handle case, 12 graphite pencils, 1 A5 sketching pad, 3 blending stumps, 1 sandpaper block, 3 charcoal pencils, 1 kneaded eraser, 4 vine charcoals, 4 pastel pencils, 1 mannequin. Oh, it's got a little person in there. 1 mannequin, 1 sharpener, 1 eraser, and 1 ruler. So it's got 58 pieces in it, and it's just basically a huge sketching art set. How cool is that? So we've got some of those. Let me move Baby Yoda over here. Let me see, we got a bunch of those, don't we? Nope, looks like just a couple. Better snatch those up quick. Here is a random mystery box. Da, 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 da. What is it? All right, let's see. We have got inside the mystery box, whoa, a really nice backpack. An outdoor backpack. I'm gonna just pull this out of the bag so we can see it a little better. Okay, this is a green outdoor, kind of almost like tactical camping backpack. Leave this with it, has the barcode on it. So it's got all sorts of pockets, side pockets here, but outdoor backpack with the padded back straps, and it's got a padded waist belt. So this is definitely a hiking backpack to put a lot of weight in. Really, really nice outdoor green and gray backpack. That's a nice one. All right, then we've got, what's in this mystery box? All right, let's see what's in here. It's a mystery. Oh, it's a serving tray, like a vintage wood serving tray. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it's like what do they call those? Nesting dolls, but with serving trays. So you got a big, you got a large, you got a medium, and you got a small. And they smell really good, like actual wood. So you've got a 3-piece set of serving trays. So that's cool. We'll kind of take a look at those. They kind of have a little bit of a distressed look on the wood. And you know, the way it's been painted, and they smell really, really good. And they each have handles on the outside. So those are awesome. Then we have, what else is in this box? Sunrise alarm clock. I was actually just looking for one of these. One of my kids was having trouble waking up in the morning. They actually missed a couple of their practices. And so we were looking at various different alarm clocks. This sunrise alarm clock, basically, when the alarm goes off, it gets brighter in the room. And so it's like the sun is rising. So that's what this alarm clock does. Looks like we only have one of these. But we ended up with my my child that wasn't waking up. We ended up getting one of those clocks that has the little, it comes with an extra attachment that vibrates when the alarm goes off. So they just stick it under their pillow and it shakes their brains. And then they wake up. So it's kind of funny. All right, we have another box here. Let's look at this. So you can find all these on hookedonpickin.com. Don't worry, in just a few minutes we're going to be pricing everything. We still got a few more things in the box, so we're going to look at those. All right, this is what? Okay, a couple of different things. What are these? Fanny pack travel bum bags is what it says. It's a travel bum bag, a bag for your bum. Oh, these are the Supreme ones. So really nice black ones, 2 of them. That's all I got is the 2, but these will be available on hookedonpickin.com as well. All right, what else we have in here? I'll leave that there so I have the barcode. Okay, last thing we have in here, we have 3 of them. These are Spy Guy secret mission sets. Spy Guy secret mission sets. It says, look through binoculars to see straight ahead. Turn the switch and you can see left or right, as you can see there. And then you get a name ID, you get a little ID bag, you get a little launcher of these discs. So it's a little like shoot gun kind of thing, disc shotgun. Ages 3+. And so it's got a lot of really fun things in there. So those will be available on hookedonpickin.com too. We only have 3 of those available, and so snatch them up quick if you like them. Remember too, if you buy on hookedonpickin.com, if you order $100 or more inside the US, then you get free shipping. So I recommend just, yes, you may be interested in these things, but peruse the store and find a whole bunch of other stuff. We got a lot of stuff available, and we're gonna go ahead and price everything. Come right back. All right, we've got everything priced, so we'll just go right down through the prices. We've got the Baby Yoda plush backpack, $14.99. Then we have our Spy Guy set, $9.99. We have our Sunrise alarm clock, $19.99 with multicolor LED lights, so it doesn't have to always be yellow. It can sunrise in multiple colors. Then for $13.99, we have the transform the interior of your home with all these different starry colors, made to be used indoors. So $13.99, much softer lights. Then we have the Supreme Black fanny packs, $14.99 a piece for those. We have our gorgeous serving trays, $19.99 for those. Then we have, this is actually a 2-pack set, so you get the large and the small magnetic drawing board for $11.99. Then we have our outdoor backpacking pack. It is a 45 liter, I believe, and it is waterproof, $29.99 for the green backpack. Then we have the Wood Trick Oil Tower 3D Build Puzzle Set, $24.99. Then we have the Princess Castle Play Tent that you can color on with fabric markers, $17.99. And last but not least, our Sketching Art Set, 58-piece set, $19.99. So hopefully you guys found something you love. Remember, go straight to hookedonpickin.com to find all of these items. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Make sure you leave comments down in the comment section below about your thoughts about the items that we showed on today's video. If you'd like to go to hookedonpickin.com, remember, if you spend more than $100, you can get free shipping. We have these awesome things. If you love unboxings, you can do an unboxing yourself. We have what's called Pickin's mystery boxes. You can pick your category and you can pick your price, $25, $50, or $75. So go to hookedonpickin.com and check out the Pickin's mystery boxes.